Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Debt Collection 101 here on Arbeit U.
Yes! We got it right this time. Got it right that time. And we have another great episode today. Got it right from the ACA, right? ACA magazine?
That's correct.
Cool. You can't see who I'm looking at, but she's over here. It's called Management by Walking Around, right? So it's basically, it goes back to the great Abraham Lincoln.
Well, that's where it was thought to have gone.
Yeah, I'm reading the
But it's really
Cliff
from
Notes.
HP, Hewlett Packard,
So you're gonna,
in 1970.
so you think that it comes from Hewlett Packard, but Abraham Lincoln picked it up
It seems like, yeah, it's,
in the 70s.
no, they say that it's made it sound like it was a myth.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Jeez, can't you read?
No, I just learned.
Anyways, so management by walking around, it's pretty self-explanatory.
Walk around and manage.
Yeah, and not at set times. You kind of just do it randomly, and you do it really all the time. Is the concept. So,
like especially if you have like a collection floor, right? Like getting your compliance officer out walking around, and
Right.
like actually listening to calls, and then
Yeah.
managing with like telling them compliance tips.
because I can imagine in a collection agency, if you go out at set times all the time, your collectors are going to pick on.
Yeah, right. Or if you for example, like if you unpack boxes of phones every day in the same office, they're gonna know.
Your collectors will catch on, and they'll just notice that you're coming out at 1 o'clock, and they're going to say the
All of
most
a sudden, YouTube
compliant
and
things.
Facebook goes away, and
Well, no, but just compliance in general. They're going to say the most compliant things then, and when they know you're not going to be out, so they're not going to be too worried maybe when you're not there. So it's a good thing to just constantly be walking around.
Yeah.
Another thing that I think it talks about is opening or keeping an open door policy,
yes,
which from experience here, we have a open door policy.
our door is open right now.
Even when the door is closed.
Yep, you walk in, you open, and you walk right in. There's
Yep.
no such thing as a closed door here at Arbeit.
All the locks are broken, and no one cares.
Next
So-
is taking the doors off the.
but it's good because then I think there's that sense of you always can approach anybody. There's no, if you need help, you don't have to wait. You just kind of walk right on in. Job interview, walk on in. It's happened, but it was okay.
Filming an episode of Debt Collection 101. Walk on in.
Alonzo did it once.
Yeah.
So if you don't have management by walking around policy, you should start doing it. I think it helps with compliance. It helps keeping collectors on track.
Probably helps with activity too, right?
Yeah.
Like
Definitely.
if you're not walking around, the alternative is I know you're not walking around. I'm gonna do what the hell I want, right?
Right.
So
Exactly.
it keeps people on their toes.
On that note, we're done.
We're not finished because
Yes, we have a special survey that we want you to fill out. If you made it this far, please see the link below, fill out the survey. We want to hear from you on what topics you like, what topics you enjoy hearing about, what you would like to hear about, so on and so forth.
now we're finished.
Yes, now we are finished. Don't forget to fill it out. I know you're watching. There's a lot of you. Fill it out.
And as always, see you next week.
See ya.